A few months ago, Facebook discontinued the standalone Messenger desktop app and redirected users to messenger.com to continue their conversations. Now, just months later, Facebook is also shutting down messenger.com with a notice saying messenger.com won't be available after April 15th, 2026. Now, if you haven't seen this notification yet, it appears when you visit messenger.com right at the top of your charts. So, here is what this change means. After April 15th, when you visit messenger.com, you will see a notification that messenger.com is no longer available for messaging. According to the notice, you will still be able to continue your conversations through the mobile app or directly on Facebook. Now, the thing is, a lot of people prefer using Messenger on desktop, especially to avoid the Facebook feed and to take advantage of a larger screen resolution compared to the mobile app. Therefore, to use Messenger on desktop while avoiding Facebook feed, one option is to log into Facebook in your browser, head over to the Messenger or Messages section, and then expand the chat window so it fills the entire screen. That way, it basically hides the Facebook feed and feels similar to the old messenger.com experience. Alternatively, you can type facebook.com/messages directly into your browser's address bar. Hit enter, and this takes you straight to your messages without having to scroll through your feed first. Other than that, everything else stays the same. Your chats aren't affected and your conversations will still be there.